Pitman Shorthand Dictation Writing Practice. Exercise 37. Start writing. The first cost of the new styles may be heavy, but it will soon be repaid by the saving in waste and by the immense sales which will follow. Full stop. Business must be influenced by the fact of our having the best and cheapest and latest styles to show to customers, and we think they will endorse our hopes. Full stop. We are seeking also to influence the big buyers to ask to see the new designs, and if they can be induced to look at them, we think business must follow. Full stop. Dictation complete.